Now let's move on to second passage and reading passage 2. The title is Living with Artificial Intelligence, AI. Very common these days, like chat GPT and robots and driverless cars. So living with artificial intelligence, and there is the subtitle. If they give you the subtitle, you should read that also. The subtitle says powerful artificial intelligence needs to be reliably aligned with human values. But does this mean AI will eventually have to police those values? So this is the passage about AI and human values. And AI is going to guard human values. Police means take care of or guard. So this is the whole passage, and luckily the passage is not labeled. If the passage is labeled A, B, C, D, bad news. Type 2 questions. Type 2 or type B is where questions and answers are not in order. Whenever they label the passage A, B, C, D, there are more type B questions. And type B questions are which paragraph contains the following information, number 1. And number 2, second type B question is list of headings. Okay, but now there is no label, so good news, everything is going to be smooth. But the bad news, there are many multiple choice questions here. Okay, so whenever we have multiple choice questions, the good thing is questions and answers are in order for multiple choice questions. What do you have to do? First you read the question, go to the passage, locate the answer to that question in the passage, then come back and go through options A, B, C, D. When you get multiple choice in listening, there are 3 options. When you get multiple choice in reading, there are 4 options. Okay, so we will do them all, don't worry. It's good that you will learn more about multiple choice questions, and for general training reading in section 3, there are always multiple choice questions. Okay. After that, we have yes, no, not given, questions 20 to 23, and questions 24 to 26, summary completion. So where should we start from? Summary completion. We will start from summary completion, then we can go back to yes, no, not given, and finally we can attempt this multiple choice question. Okay, so you need to, when you talk about your time management in IELTS reading, for that it is very important how to start. If you start directly from a confusing question, it will eat all your time. So it's better to start from here. Now please come to questions 24 to 26. Complete the summary using the list of phrases A to F. Using AI in the UK health system. Now we need to go back and we need to see where do they talk about UK health system. It's the second page, third last paragraph. Second page, third last paragraph, where they talk about NHS, National Health Service, and UK. So it means, now the good thing is all the answers are in these 2-3 paragraphs. Because this is type A. Type A means questions and answers are in order. So all the answers you will find in a sequence. But the problem is, first you need to locate the words in the passage, then you have to find the synonyms of those words in the box, and then you will find the answer. So it's double the trouble. Okay, let's see. AI currently has a limited role in the way dash are allocated in the health service. Now answer is something which are allocated. R means answer must be plural. So please come back. Third last paragraph, second page, third last paragraph, follow me. These issues might seem far-fetched, but they are to some extent already here. AI already has some input into how resources are used. For use, they use the word allocated. So what is the answer? Resources. Now we need to find a synonym of resources. Come back. Resources. Well done. Option C, available resources. So for question number 24, correct answer is C. And don't write the words. If you write the words, your answer will be wrong. You need to write only option C, and C is available resources. Got the point? For resources, they have given this option C. Now, let's read on. Question number 25, I'm reading on. The positive aspect of AI having a bigger role is that it would be more efficient and lead to patient benefits. However, whenever they use the word however, they say something against it, opposite. However, such a change would result, for example, in certain dash not having their current level of dash. So example, we need to look for example, certain dash not having their current. Now you will find answer in 1 or 2 sentences together. So please come back. Can you see e.g.
Yes, senior.
in third last paragraph? However, can you see the word however?
Yes.
So this is the location of the answer. Now please follow me. It's the third last paragraph, third last line. However, we'd be depriving some humans, for example, senior doctors. Now they said, for example, in certain. Now what is the word for senior doctors? Medical practitioners. Well done. Excellent. So correct answer is A. Got it? Senior doctors and medical practitioners. Not having their current level of dash. Now come back. Not having their current level of senior doctors or the control they presently enjoy. So, however, we'd be depriving some humans, for example, senior doctors, of the control. When you deprive the doctors of control, what does it mean? Doctors will have no control. Now look for something related to control. No control. Control. Professional authority. Well done. For control, they use the word authority. So, professional authority, E will be the right answer for question number 26. Do you understand not having? For not having, they use the word deprive. When you deprive someone from something, it means that person doesn't have that thing. So, for deprive, they use the word not having. Okay. So, correct answer is E. Now, for 24, on your answer sheet, you will write C, 25A and 26E. Clear? Good.